Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Ash Pearl colorway. Now before we get into the sneakers, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. So I am gonna make this review very quick, mainly because I just want to show you guys this shoe with the lace swap, just give you guys some different options on the laces and show you what it looks like on feet, some different ways to style, all that good stuff. So real quick, we got the shoes right here, the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Ash Pearl colorway. Very simple, pretty generic Yeezy in my opinion. We just keep getting the same colorways over and over again. Now this one is a little different and I'm actually kind of liking it. It reminds me a lot of the static version of the 350 V2s, which was that like white and gray colorway, which I do have, and I will be taking the laces off that shoe and putting them on here. I might also try some black laces, so we'll test that out as well. Very simple colorways when it comes to Yeezys. I honestly am just sick of it. Yes, this is a little different than some of the rest, but for the most part, we just keep paying for some beige Yeezys. Like, I want to see some color on here. I want to see some like hardcore black and white going on. I want to see some reds, blues. I want to see it all. I want all the different colors. I want some yellows. I want it all, man. I want different colorways of the 350 V2. I'm sick of the same colorway handed to us over and over again. You can't really go wrong with a pair of Yeezys though. They're very comfortable. You got the boost material on the outsole. The upper is very comfortable as well. Now, another thing I did notice about this colorway was they actually came with some normal laces. I thought Yeezy was switching it up and doing that stupid little, I don't even know what it was called, but it was like the lace was all one unit and you pretty much had to cut it off just to switch it out. But it looks like they went back to normal laces, which I do like. Not a whole lot to say about the shoe. It's another Yeezy. It's another Yeezy. But yeah, we'll get into the on foot. You guys can see what this looks like with some different options with styling. You know, I'll throw on some different colored pants and, you know, throw on some different laces. So with that being said, let's get into the on foot.
No matter where I move to, I deal with all the same things. My homies so hard-headed, some of them like the gang bang. But that's just how it is, we all gotta maintain. See the dead are in jail, and that's the goddamn shame, little bitch. Hey, I'm so chill, dog, I be cold. Hey, my heart is so buffalo.
Pull on a drop top, with a thought, Fiji got that drip drop. Watch her wrist lock, shorty call some lockjaw. Yeah, the blow hot, keep the Jimmy like I'm neutron. High blast off, diamonds dancing, call it salsa. I got hot sauce, scoring, crying on a skirt off. It's a push toss. I got K's, but no TK, free that crib, ayy. I got youngins with them big fun.
Look, I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Got no choice, shit, I gotta do it. I see.
Bam! The Yeezy 350 V2 in the Ash Pearl colorway. Let me know what you think of this shoe on foot. Did you cop this sneaker? Are you gonna cop now that you've seen this video? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Got that drip drop, watch her wrist lock, shorty call some lockjaw. Yeah, the block keep the Jimmy like I'm neutron. How I blast off, score give me mega brain, feel like Mega Man break.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.